So guys, remember last time I had rod knock? Well, the rod knock is done. Jordan has rebuilt the engine. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Jordan. You know what I'm saying? And this is where we're at right now. So I told y'all I would give y'all an update. So me and Jordan traded grills. I got this Bullet grill. It's like 60 bucks. It's actually like this one better, and it allows more airflow in. And I got a upgraded M35 2006 engine, which has more torque, more redline, more horsepower. And as you see, it's a beauty in there. It is no sludge, no nothing. And maybe one day I might open a shop with Jordan. You know what I'm saying? And you need y'all shit done, Jordan got you. Because this is this out the garage. This, imagine if he had all the shit he needed. He's making it work. Shout out to Jordan. You know what I'm saying? Any G35 needs, call me. My number is 510-677-6489, and I'll redirect you to Jordan. If you want your headlights retrofitted, he could do those too. We're going to show y'all those on his car in a second on the part 2. But yeah, Jordan know what the fuck he doing. We're going to let y'all hear the startup when it's done.